All right, so we're going to go ahead and work on lesson 67 of our reading mastery program. Starting with some sounds. First sound. Yes, Next sound. Yes, ah. Next sound. Yes, k. Next sound. Yes, ah. Next sound. Yes, t. Next sound. Yes, Next sound. Yes, Next sound. Yes, d. Now, here I go. Listen to teacher sound it out. Nut. Your turn. Get ready. What word? Yes, nut. Next word. Listen. Cut. Your turn. Get ready. What word? Yes, cut. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Sock. By yourself. Get ready. What word? Yes, sock. Get ready to read it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What word? Yes, sock. Let's do the next one. See if you can do it by yourself. Get ready. What word? Yes, rock. Get ready to read it the fast way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What word? Yes, rock. Next word, we're going to sound these words out. My turn. Fun. Your turn. Get ready. What word? Yes, fun. Next word. Listen. Sun. Your turn. Get ready. What word? Yes, sun. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Yes, sick. What word? Yes, sick. Get ready to read it the fast way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What word? Yes, sick. Let's do the next one. Sound it out. Get ready. What word? Yes, sack. Good reading. You're going to read these words the fast way. We already read these words, so you should know how to sound them out. But this time, we're going to say the sounds in our head. We're not sounding it out loud. We're mouthing it in our head. Here we go. Think. Read it fast. What word? Yes, nut. Again, think. What word? Yes, nut. Next word. Think. What word? Yes, sick. One more time. Think. Mouth it in your head. What word? Yes, sick. Good reading. And here's our last word. Sound it out. Get ready. What word? Yes, run. Get ready to read this word the fast way. I'll count to 5. See if you can say the word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What word? Yes, run. Good reading.